So, you are in the Air Force and you live in the South.
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Now, I already shared with you what I miss about the South. I'm originally from California. Never really been a city girl, though, even though I was raised in the city. So, I like being out in the country, wide open spaces. And I miss a couple of things about North Carolina. I used to work in Charlotte. So I miss Charlotte, mostly because Carowinds is there. Woo! Carowinds, for people that don't know, it's like Six Flags, only better. And I miss Nantahala Gorge. We actually took my daughter whitewater rafting when she graduated to middle school. And we went down the rapids and all that kind of stuff, horseback riding, all that kind of thing, which is stuff that we like to do all the time if we could. And I miss Bojangles Bullberry biscuits. They don't have those where I live. So, oh, man.
We were in LA before we were here in North Carolina. And my husband's from California. So, I miss In-N-Out so much.
In-N-Out burger. Oh, orgasm.
The best burger.
Well, unless you come to my house, that's the only place you're going to get a better burger than In-N-Out. But I will give you that one. I'll give you that, definitely, for sure. So, boy. So what else do you like about the South? Now, since you live in North Carolina, and Authors After Dark is in North Carolina this year, luckily it's not a long distance for you to go. Was that a deciding factor in choosing to come to Authors After Dark?
Actually, I was still in LA when I signed up for Authors After Dark, so I didn't even know that we would be in North Carolina. It just worked out that way.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, so now I can drive. It's about 4 hours, but yeah, it worked out. Just look.
4 hours in the car.
It is still, it's still 4 hours, yeah.
Ooh, okay. Well, that's still not too bad, I have to say. It is worth the flight, worth the drive. If you bicycle and walking, roller skating, whatever, you will get your money's worth. You will have a great time.
Great.
So what else would you like to tell us, Bethany Lopez, before we let you get going?
I'm trying to think. I don't know.
I didn't tell you I was going to put you on the spot.
I'm really excited to meet everybody there, all of the readers, of course, and the other writers. I'm a reader first, so I've always had my nose in a book, and I absolutely love to read. And I actually posted on Facebook that Carly Phillips is going to be there, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be totally excited and fangirling over Carly Phillips.
Do the fangirl with me.
Can't wait. So I'm excited. It's going to be nonstop fun, and it's just I cannot wait to get there and get started and meet everybody and see how it all comes together.
Absolutely. Same here. Thank you so much for giving me your time, and I cannot wait to meet you. It will be soon.
Yes. Psycho
right.
Hugs in the hallway.
Oh my God, right? And don't worry, if I see you looking like you're getting ready to pass out, I will have your saving cup of coffee. Thank you. See you later.